We were approached by an executive healthcare clinic that had a really unique patient. He had a problem they just couldn't solve, and so he went around to all the doctors he could trying to get an answer. His testosterone levels were always low. This man was actually a hockey player, and so he needed to be able to maintain his levels and perform well. He was never quite the same as his peers, and this was the root cause. So when he went to his executive healthcare clinic, he had spent a lot of money, and they had told him, we can help you with this because we know how to give you more testosterone. They gave him what's called an androgel pack. It's something you put on your stomach. It has an androgen or testosterone gel that you then absorb, and you would think you would then have more testosterone in your system, solving all the problems. He came back to them saying, I think I need more because I'm losing my libido now, and I think I'm getting gynomastia. Man boobs. Literally, his body was changing. So they gave him more. He came back later and he said the problem is just getting worse. This is where, lucky for him, they paused and we were contacted to ask the question, what is happening with this man hormonally, and why is it no matter how much we give him, it just keeps getting worse and worse? So we looked at his genetics, and what we found was this. Whether you're a man or a woman, you produce progesterone, you convert that to testosterone, and you then convert that to estrogen, and you clear it. Women do it monthly, men do it daily. For this particular gentleman, in that process, where you would think he would typically hold and utilize that testosterone for some time before clearing it into an estrogen, he didn't do that. He had a very fast pathway to convert that testosterone all into estrogen. So which means give him more testosterone and you're just going to net result a lot more estrogen, which is exactly what was happening to him. They gave him the androgel to solve the testosterone problem, just converted into more net estrogen. They gave him more. He ended up with gynecomastia and no libido. He had beautiful hair and beautiful skin because of the estrogen, but that's not the problem he was trying to solve. So with all of what's happening in biohormone replacement therapy, in performance, and the hormones that are now being used, it's very important before you dive into them to understand genetically what you do with what you're adding to your system so that you do get the net result you're looking for.